Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2020
Buick Envision. Envision is a luxury crossover designed to turn heads and welcome you in with its quality craftsmanship, spirited performance, and conversation-friendly cabin that will make your driving experience worthwhile. The Envision's handsome exterior and well-styled cabin are appealing, while its value-packed features list serves as a cherry on top.
and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, remote engine start, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, fog lights, power brakes, braking assist, ambient lighting, rear view camera. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.